Hey guys, Gracie here. This is part 2 of a 2-part series. Today I'm going to plant my colorful container garden. If you missed part 1 of this series, check the description below for the link to learn more about choosing a container, soil, and accessories before you get started. I visited my local English gardens to get some advice on the best plants to use in my container garden. I'm going to show you what I picked out and share some helpful information that I learned on my container gardening journey. You've seen part 1, so the soil is already in my container. It's not full to the top because I know that the plants are going to take up space too. The goal should be to have about 1 inch of space between the rim of the pot and the soil. You may need to remove or add some along the way. Fertilizer is an important ingredient for a container garden's health and success. I learned that there are 3 types, and they are used at certain times in the planting and care process. A starter fertilizer, like Biotone, promotes healthy growth and helps to get things started. The time-release fertilizer, like Osmocote, feeds continuously for weeks. These 2 should be used when I'm planting, so I'm going to sprinkle a layer of each on top of the soil. They'll get mixed in during the planting process. The water-soluble fertilizer is the 3rd type, and kind of like a boost of vitamins. This proven winner's fertilizer can be used to keep plants looking good all season long. The English Gardens experts recommended I use this every 10 days to 2 weeks. Okay, so like I mentioned, we're going to start out with the fertilizer. Simply sprinkle a layer of each of these on top of the soil, and it'll get mixed in during the planting process. Okay, so I'm going to plant the large pink Dahlia first, because that's going to go in the center of my pot. Okay, perfect. So after that, I'm just going to kind of pick and choose what I want to add in here. I'm going to start out with these purple guys. Okay. And next, I'm going to go with the pink ones, the Verbena. Okay. And then I'm going to end with my favorite one, the Sedum. Look at this! I am so excited to set this up on my patio this summer. Now, one last bit, and maybe the most important of all, water. This is crucial for keeping your container garden healthy, especially on those hot summer days. You can check to see if your container needs water by using your finger to feel the soil. If it's dry to the touch, give it a drink and water it thoroughly. I'm using my watering can, but there are other options too, like drip systems, self-watering globes, and more. For the products used in this video, check out the full list in the description below. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.